I got the Tesla wiper blades for the Model 3. This one works fine. It's the other one that has a problem. The little rubber thing was flipping back and forth. So I just jerry-rigged it so that it would work. And we're gonna replace both because I figured if I replace both, then they'll both wear out at the same time. So let's do it. It's supposed to be easy. My husband says it's supposed to be easy, so let's just do it. They're actually different sizes. Interesting. Didn't realize that. So this one's a little bit smaller than that one. Service. Wiper service mode. Ooh, those popped up. Okay. So when you click wiper service mode, what happens is the wiper service goes up. And then whenever you click away, then this is what happens. Okay, cool. Well, that was easy. Well, that was really easy. Oh, you slip it in here. So I was gonna try and make it too hard. Just start from here and slip it in here. Don't start from here. Okay, so then click that little button down so it can slide in. Okay, so the button's clicked in place there. So start clicking in here. You don't have to put the whole wiper blade through, just this part. So we did it. All right, it's clicked in place. So both are in place. So both buttons are up. So let's go back inside. Boy, those look good. And we'll lock everything down. Wiper service blades. And it clicked back down. When you click wiper service mode, what happens is the wiper service goes up. And then whenever you click away, then this is what happens. Okay, cool.
We're done. We did it.